Back at it again. Hello everyone, happy Monday. Today is Monday, March 4th, and I currently don't work on Mondays. I work a 4-10-hour day schedule right now, and so, sorry, my heat is real on. It is 8 degrees out, and this is going to be another what I eat in a day. I'm also pre-filming a bunch of videos when I get home, but right now I just dropped off Colin at the bus stop here. I drop him off on Mondays when I don't work because I like to have the car if I need it. And so I just dropped him off, and now I'm going to run to Ross. The undershirts I bought him in the last video didn't fit, so I'm gonna either return them or exchange them. And then I'm gonna run to the store because my nails are really weak, and so I'm gonna see if there's any like vegan nail vitamin type thing. If there isn't a vegan one, I may have to resort to a non-vegan one, but that's one area where I am okay with not having 100% vegan regimen because I need my vitamins as a post-weight loss patient, and I also don't have copious amounts of funds to invest in crazy amounts of vitamins. I'm just like a go to Walgreens, get the vitamins that are on sale type of girl. So I'm going to check out vitamins and run, like there's a couple things we need, like a gene patch and like a few other weird things, and then yeah, I will show you guys what I eat. I'm also gonna swing by the gym and get a quick pump in. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. And as far as food goes, I didn't bring a protein shake today. I actually brought a Cliff protein protein builder bar. I don't know, there's 20 grams of protein. They're not my favorite, but I do like to bring those after I go to the gym if I need to like go out after that, because a protein shake will freeze in the car. So I brought that instead. So I will see you guys when I eat that. Peace. All right, y'all, so I went to Ross. I exchanged the shirts for Colin, and they didn't have other undershirts, so I picked up like just some shirts to wear to like work and stuff, and then I went to Walmart to get him undershirts and pick up the other couple of things that we needed. But I'm getting hungry. It's 10:30, so this was the protein bar that I was talking about. It's chocolate peanut butter flavored. I'm not a huge protein bar person, I'm more of a protein shake person, but I'm getting hungry, so I'm probably gonna eat like half of this, and then I'm actually gonna work out at my apartment gym today because I haven't been there in a while, and I just kind of want to see like what type of machines they have in there, and hopefully it'll be dead, which will be nice, and then I can go right home afterwards. So I am going to go there now, and I'm going to eat some of this, and I'll see you guys later. Back from the gym. I filmed a couple of clips while I was there because no one was in there. It was so nice, and so I don't know why I don't go there more. I think what I was doing changed. Like, I hate doing cardio there because it's just so like boring and dead, but for weightlifting, definitely the spot. So I'm gonna make a quick lunch right now, and I'm gonna finish the rest of the protein bar that I was eating as well. I only ate like half of it, so I'm gonna eat the other half. These are actually pretty good for protein bars. I'm just not a big bar person, but I'm gonna finish this, and then I'll probably just have like some tofu and leftover falafel, kind of like a little like, I don't know, that with some hummus, maybe some carrots, I don't know. I'm gonna like throw a little thing together, so I'll share it with you now.
Alright, so you guys are probably like, what the hell is this meal? I really don't know. It's just a bunch of leftovers. It sounded good, packed with protein. This is air fried tofu that I made. I seasoned it like a feta tofu would be seasoned, so Mediterranean flavors. This is the leftover falafel from our gyros in the last video, and then these are some homemade fries. The reason they look so yellow is because I used turmeric in the seasoning blend, and then I had a bit of a dressing explosion here. So I have that spinach artichoke hummus to dip this stuff in, and I was gonna put a little bit of goddess dressing. This stuff, I bought more today. The Annie's Goddess dressing. I was gonna put a tiny little bit here, but I don't know, it was super liquidy, more than I remembered, so it exploded, but that's okay. This is what I'm gonna have. I probably won't finish it all, and then I have half of the Cliff Bar if I get hungry for a snack. So yeah, this is my lunch slash morning snack. Alright guys, I just got done filming 2 videos back to back. I'm sitting in front of my window because that's the best lighting. But I have barely drank any water today, so I'm gonna drink some water and then I'm probably gonna have a snack, so I will take you along for that. Hey guys, so I am filming this clip on my phone because I plugged my camera card into my computer for editing, and now things are like uploading and my computer's doing some stuff. I don't want to mess anything up, so I'm just gonna film this snack on my phone. But right now I'm going to have, for like a pretty hefty snack, a caramel rice cake with peanut butter and then half of a banana cut up on top. And this is like a super filling snack. It's basically a meal for me. It is relatively healthy. You could make this a lot healthier if you did like the PB Fit or PB2, whatever it's called, the powdered peanut butter that doesn't have the fat. I just cannot stop eating normal peanut butter. Like, that's like the one thing I can't give up, and I don't count fat, carbs, or sugars. Like, the only thing I count is protein. So from a protein standpoint, I'd say this has like 8 to 9 grams of protein, which is pretty good for a snack. So I'm going to eat this now, do some more editing, and then relax. Alrighty guys, so, sorry it's so dark. It is now 6:30 and I have to pick up Colin from the bus stop at 7, and usually we would just come home and eat after that, but we are going to get him, he's gonna go to Great Clips to get a haircut, so I'm obviously gonna go with him. So I am going to have a snack, and I think I'm just gonna have the other half of this banana from the snack that I filmed on my phone. So I'm gonna have that now, and then I will film dinner, which, spoiler alert, is vegan sushi, veggie sushi, whatever you wanna call it. So I will show you that when we get home. Alright everyone, this is the final meal of the day, which is like a sushi bowl. We don't roll sushi, it is too hard, and I don't want to take the time to do that. So we have a quinoa rice mixture here, some bell peppers, sweet potato, carrots, green onion, cucumber, tofu, and then seaweed. We just have this open one here, avocado, sriracha mayo, and soy sauce, and you mix it all together and you get a delicious sushi bowl. Alright guys, there you have it. It's a little messy, but that's okay. So this is everything put together, and I drizzled soy sauce on top. I forgot the sesame seeds, but I will grab those and sprinkle them on top. Alrighty guys, that is going to be it for today. It is 8 o'clock now, so this will probably be the last meal of the day for me. But I hope you enjoyed another What I Eat in a Day video. I'm really glad you guys are enjoying these, and there are more to come, so I will see you in the next one. Peace!